Welcome back to SmartMoney Monday. Today we're going to learn about our credit scores, and to help us with that, Summerset Lovett is here, market manager from Bank of Hawaii. Good morning, Summer.
Good morning, Steve.
So why is the credit score so darn important?
Well, your credit score is really important because it's the number that financial institutions and lenders use to determine if you qualify for a loan. And it also helps determine what kind of interest rate you get. For example, if you have a credit score on the lower side, it may result in a higher interest rate.
Oh, wow. I mean, so it has a big impact on the qualifying loan for a car loan or a home or something like that, right?
Yeah, your credit score really does. It's actually a big, important part of your financial profile. It actually has a lot of factors going into it, but the biggest being the amount of time that you've had a credit history, the amount of what you owe on it, if it's all being outstanding, or also are you making your payments current. So it's really important to try to keep your credit score as high as possible. And if it's not where you want it to be, we got to really focus on improving it over time.
Got it. So credit score obviously very vital. How can we find out what that number is?
Well, there's actually 3 different credit bureaus that calculate that score for you. They are TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax. They relatively do all the same thing, pretty much the same thing, and different institutions and lenders can use a different score to pull your credit report.
So how do you get it? And do you have to pay every time you get your credit score?
Well, that's a good thing. That's a good question. No, you don't. Actually, there's a lot of online sites that you can access it for free.
So now that you know your score, what do you do after that?
Well, it really depends on that score. If it's high, that's great. If it's not where you want it to be, there's a lot of things that we can do to make it better.
Okay, which is what we're going to be discussing next week, right?
Yes.
All right. Thank you, Summer.
You're welcome, Steve.